Hello, Lisa Wells here. How are you? Just about to pick the kids up from school and I'm feeling very connected today, and I wanted to share that with you, and perhaps we could just do a quick little 2-minute what does my connection feel like session. So connecting with myself internally has been a very big step in overcoming my eating issues. So before I started connecting within my body, in myself, I was fully connecting to my thoughts in my head 100% of the time. And that was what was driving me and what was ruling my day. It was this horrible place to be. It was just awful until I started asking the question, what does my connection feel like to myself, to my inner self? Because I know that I'm not my thoughts. So in saying that, let's do a little bit of time. We're just going to close our eyes and do some breathing, and we're going to feel ourselves in our body. So what it actually feels like to connect to yourself, to your heart, to your power center, your solar plexus, your gut. Very important to work from both spaces, so from your mind and also from yourself as well. So closing our eyes and taking some nice deep breaths in and asking ourselves the question, what does my connection feel like? And then trying to feel yourself in your body. What can you feel when you've got your eyes closed? Can you feel yourself sitting in the chair? Can you feel your feet on the floor? This is a very important practice to do daily, to get to know yourself again. And that's all it takes. You could be in the supermarket queue, you could be in the car waiting to pick up your kids from school. As long as you do it every day, it doesn't have to be long. You could do it, even in the shower if you wanted to. Nobody knows that you're doing it, so that's the beauty of it. You can do it any way you want. So let me know how you go, and I'll see you next time. Boop. Turn off now.